This video, we're going to look at a specific set of school success skills, and that's greetings and manners. We might think, well, isn't that what kids learn at home? And in an ideal world, that might happen. But remember that your children are coming from all different cultures. So teaching greetings and manners is up to you. You need to decide what is most important for you because you're the leader of your classroom, and then systematically teach it to the children. In this video clip, we see how Mr. Rand teaches greetings and manners on the second day of class, because those are really important to him.
And excuse me is used when we're being patient, when we want to try and get somebody's attention, when maybe we want to sneak past somebody. So if I'm trying to walk, right, and Kian and Cormier are sitting really close to each other, should I just plow right through them? No. No, right? I might say, excuse me guys, can I get past? Oh, it's like magic. It's like open sesame. Look at how well they did, right? That was so much better. Otherwise, I might have kicked them in the face, which wouldn't have been
It's
fun.
like the red carpet opening.
Exactly, it opens up. So these magical words, right? Just like our pleases and thank yous, which we were talking a little bit about yesterday, you guys did an excellent job with, right? These are some more of our magic kind of words. So I'm going to give you a nice little quick scenario. A scenario is an example of something that could happen. And I want you to give me a thumbs up if you think we should be saying, I'm sorry. Or actually, sorry, I want you to give me a thumbs up if you think this was a good way of solving it and it used our magic words of excuse me or I'm sorry. Or I want you to put a thumbs down if you think that was not the right way. So, here we go, we're going to start off. You are trying to line up, but a couple of kids are in the way. You say, excuse me. What do you think? Is this a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Is that the right thing to do? I agree. I think that's a definite thumbs up, right? They used excuse me. That was perfect.
Excellent reason why.
Lots of kids are getting their coats to go home, right? Over there, and it's so crowded. You want to squeeze in to get your coat, right? Because you want to get home. You say, get out of my way.
Well, first of all, not to get out of the way, that's that's rude, but should we try to squeeze in?
No.
What can you do instead?
Just say excuse me.
Or what else?
Just wait
or
till
maybe
they're out
please
the way.
move.
Ooh, I heard some really good ones.
Just wait till they're done.
Or just wait. Good.
Excellent.
Or just wait until
Here's
everybody
another
leaves
one
and
for you
then
guys.
get your coat.
You walk past the table where a classmate is eating breakfast. You knock into her arm by mistake, and her milk spills.
Sorry.
So, can somebody raise their hand and tell me if this did happen, maybe it was an accident, what could we do? What could we do if this happened?
Let's see.
Rashid, what could happen? What would you do?
Probably go get them another one.
Ooh, you could get them another one. Princess, what else could we
I
do?
would say sorry because every time my cousin says something like that to me, and I tell on somebody because I'm like, but you didn't say sorry to me, so it's obviously not an accident.
Yeah, we could say I'm sorry. So I love this, and we can do both of these things too, right? Is maybe we say I'm sorry, and then sometimes when we say I'm sorry, we have to help fix the problem as well, right? I'm sorry is kind of that first step. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to spill your milk. Maybe I'll go get you a new one, right? Just like Rashid said as well. Those are excellent suggestions. All right, I'm going to keep on reading another one. Let's see if we got another one here. You want to sit at one of the tables for a snack, right? Maybe we're moving around. Your classmate has her lunch, and things are all over the place. They're all spread out. She's got her notebook here and her snack here, right? And her papers over here. Everything's all over the place. You say, excuse me, could you move your things over a little bit? What do you think? Is that a good thing? Was that a nice way to say that and fix that?
Why was it good? Let's see. Who would help? Jordan, why was that good?
Because the keywords that we use, excuse me and sorry, I heard the word sorry in it, so that's why.
And if we're eating at a table, or if you're playing at a table with your friends, should you have everything spread out all over the table?
No.
Where should it be?
It should be right in front of you where you can eat.
Good job, Keon. We're all here together, right? We have to share our spaces, so you shouldn't be making a big mess all over the table if it's just
Take
you.
up all the space people are gonna sit. Can you please move and they wanna eat?
Excellent. So that could also be a sign of somebody not using good manners.
All right, I got another one, but I'm going to act it out this time,
Okay.
because this is one that happens. right?
Let's go, eyes up there.
This one, watch this one. Anaya, 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 Anaya.
Now that was funny, right? You guys, right? It was a little funny, but was
Thank
Mr.
you,
Rand
Anaya.
showing good manners or being nice there? What should have been done there?
He could have on a nag once, and if she didn't hear him, he probably could have told the person closer to him to tell, no, the person closer to her to tell them that he's calling.
Okay, good.
What magic words that we were talking about could I have used? Yeti, what magic words could I have used? Awesome, let's see if it works. Excuse me, Anaya. Oh. Look at that! She responded right like that, right? Even when I was pushing her and touching her and screaming her name out, she didn't respond. But as soon as I went up there and said, excuse me, Anaya, she goes, what? What's happening? How can I help you? Right? This is one that's really important for Mr. Capetta and I. Right? Mr. Capetta and I won't pay attention if we hear people just calling out our name and coming up and tapping us, right? You can say, excuse me, Mr. Capetta, excuse me, Mr. Rand, right? Or you can raise your hands, right? And we can get our attention that way. But I think right now, we need to stand up, we need to shake some things out, and we're gonna play a little game with this way. So everybody stand on up.
Careful, you stand.
On this game, I've got some cards. Just like I was reading out, some examples, some scenarios, okay? We've got someone here. I'm gonna give one to everybody on this side. Now, once you get this, I want you to read it, okay? Try and really look over this and figure it out. You guys on the other side are going to get, Mr. Capetta is gonna hand out, okay, some of our magic words. It will say, excuse me, or it will say, I'm sorry. So, you are going to have to very carefully, right, without bumping into each other, and you might have to use some of these I'm sorry's and excuse me's. You're going to have to find somebody on the other side that matches up. So if on your scenario, you think, oh, this is going to be I'm sorry, you're going to find somebody on this side that says I'm sorry. And you guys that have excuse me and I'm sorry, if somebody comes up to you and says, ooh, I have one that matches yours, I have one that's I'm sorry, you need to read it too and you need to agree. If we can get everybody matched up. All right, so if you all read it on your side, you all ready to find a partner? Yeah? All right, on the count of 3, walk. We're gonna walk and try and find somebody that's got something, your magic word. Ooh, we got our first pairing. I love it. Keep going. Keep exploring if you think it's there. Let's see it. You need to reach in front of your classmate to get a marker on the desk. You say, well done. High five. Awesome job. Awesome job. Here, I'm going to collect these. You're like to. Oh, you got it as well? Let me see. Jay, why don't you hold this, okay? You guys found one? Let me see. At snack, you knock over your juice box and it spills on your classmate's sleeve. You say, I'm sorry, and help clean it up. Awesome job. Good finding. Well done. Can somebody tell me one thing that they learned while doing this? What's one thing that they learned while doing this? You didn't think about it? What was one thing that we did? What magic word did you use? Did you and your partner use? Excuse me. Awesome. All right, what is another thing we learned? Ava?
I learned that there's different ways to use manners and different words for manners.
Absolutely. That's awesome, right? We got different words for different situations. Princess, what's another thing we
I
learned?
learned the proper language that you should use if something goes wrong.
Love it. Those are great. So I want to hear lots of I'm sorry's and excuse me's today. All right, so if we have something going on, You just say I'm sorry, or excuse me, and that's okay.